Congratulations! Welcome to Mobile App Development and Monetization with Team Providence. I am Raphael Iwoki, CEO God's Flame Digital Hub. In this very module, I will take you by the hand and show you the ins and outs of mobile app development and monetization. Thousands of people all over the world earn huge amounts of money just by publishing their apps to different app stores out there in the internet and thereby turning it into an earning stream. Yeah, I will show you exactly how to develop a mobile app from scratch to finish and then monetizing your apps. In this very module, we have made it so simplified and practical that even a 15-year-old boy will be able to understand and implement everything therein. I want you to be rest assured, we won't be touching any kind of code line till the end of this very module. So if you don't have the code knowledge, you aren't missing anything at all. I must say a very big congratulations to you. Lay your hand on this course. I believe is one of the best decisions you've taken so far. If you ever dream to be an app owner, you ever dream to make money online just by publishing apps, a round of applause for you, because you are just where your solution is. In this lesson, in this very module, we have 7 subdivisions of different lesson and practical aspect of it. And right away, I will be showing you the different lessons we have from lesson 1 to lesson 7 and exactly what you'll be learning in each class. Stick with me. In lesson 1 of mobile app development and monetization, we talk about what app development is. We talk about the types of apps according to devices. We talk about the types of apps according to their uses. I will show you why people chose apps over websites. Shockingly, you might have over 200 plus apps in your phone right away, but may not be able to recall the last 10 websites you visited. Yeah, I will show you reason why it seems as if app owners are the bigger boys out there. I will show you the types of apps we have in the app market. I will show you why apps are developed for different uses, and that will be in our lesson 1. In lesson 2 of mobile app development and monetization, I will take you deep into the world of terminologies in app development. There are words you should be familiar with. There are terminologies and hashtags you should be used to. Yeah, we're gonna play with words and their meaning in app development. So in lesson 2, I will take you straight into the terminologies in app development. We talk about purpose of app development. Of course, every app out there have a purpose for each development, for each creation. Every app should have a vision why it was developed, and right away, before you even think of developing an app, you should have a purpose, or you should have configured your app to be a solution to a problem. And that brings us into niche. I will show you in lesson 2 how to choose your niche, how to make researches and know the hot selling niche to develop your app towards. Then in this same lesson 2, we get straight into the practical aspect. Time is money and time is very precious. We don't want to waste your time. We don't want to waste your moment showing you theories and theories upon theories. Nap. We are going straight into the first practical class, developing a chatting app with video call option. I believe that wowed you. Here I will show you how to develop a chatting app with a video call option. You'll be able to customize this app to your desired best. Give it a name you want. Give it every kind of design you ever desire to have in a video call option. That is in our lesson 2 of mobile app development and monetization. In lesson 3 of mobile app development and monetization, we'll talk about developing a website app. Yeah, this is just so amazing. In this lesson, I will show you how to convert any existing website on earth into an app. Yeah, I mean it. I will show you a practical step-by-step guide how to convert your website into an app. If you are a website owner who always wanted to have an app for your website, congratulations, your solution has come. And in this very lesson, I will show you how to get a site URL. I will show you how to add extra features to your website without the web developers interference, and we'll talk about the extras in developing a website app. Now, in the extra part of this video, I will show you how to add super features to your website. Assuming you have a website that sells digital products and in your website you don't have a chat option, where your customer can contact you directly right in the website. With the knowledge of app development, I will show you how to add a chat option and other extras into this your app, which is exactly the same with your website. In lesson 4 of mobile app development and monetization, we'll get into the gaming world. Yeah, I believe someone is excited right away. I will show you how to develop different kind of games app, and so something so amazing about this is you have it right at the tip of your finger to configure, manipulate, design anyhow you ever wanted it to look like. We develop a party game, arcade game, we develop user game, we develop quiz game, we develop software games. If you are a company owner or you own a business, you can just decide to develop an app for your business and your company alone. Yeah, in lesson 4, we'll get so deep into app development, we'll get so deep into mobile game development, and that is in lesson 4 of mobile app development and monetization. In lesson 5 of mobile app development and monetization, we're gonna be going deep into developing a browser app. Yeah, we have different browser app out there. We have Phoenix, we have Kiwi app, we have Poofy app. You can just decide to create a browser app and name it after your family, name it after your friend, name it after your namesake, or whatsoever name you want to give it. So I will show you how to develop a browser app from scratch to finish. I will show you how to drive traffic to your app without having to run any kind of ads. I will show you the extras in developing a website, developing a browser app, how to design your browser, how to manipulate and configure it to your desired taste. All this you will be learning in lesson 5 of mobile app development and monetization. I believe someone is really getting wowed at the very huge package we have in this course. Now, in lesson 6 of mobile app development and monetization, we'll talk about the monetization aspect itself. This is the money class. Yeah, I will show you how to publish your app to Play Store. Wow, I will show you the processes involved in publishing your apps. I will show you step-by-step guide to get your app approved right there in Play Store, and then showcasing it to the entire world. I will show you the different ads network that works. I will show you the ads network that are ready to give you their money just to place ads on your website. This is getting crazy. I will show you how to create a Google AdMob account. Your Google AdMob account allows you to connect your app to Google, thereby allowing Google to place advertisements in your app. And trust me, Google is gonna pay you a whopping amount of money monthly for placing ads in your app. In this same lesson, I will show you how to place the very ads in your app. All this you'll be learning in lesson 6, which is the money lesson. Yeah, I tagged it the app monetization because here we'll be talking about money, and it's all about money. Remember, I'm still your facilitator, Raphael Iboke. Before we get to the last category of this very motto, I want you to prepare your mind for something more shocking, and I trust me, I'm gonna wow you in this very last session. Now, in lesson 7 of mobile app development and monetization, we'll talk about the frequently asked questions in app development. Every question that you have in mind, every question you'll be doubting, every kind of confusing question in app development will be tackled in this session. That remind me, this very course will be having a 24-hour super team. I mean a support team. Our support team will be able to answer your question, will be able to guide you through difficulties that you might encounter along this line, along this race of success. Trust me, in our group, you'll be meeting different people all over the world who are also developers like you. So be rest assured your questions will be answered. I will show you the do's and don'ts in app development. There are rules that guide every organization on earth. There are rules actually that guide app development and monetization. And in lesson 7, which is tagged the final battles, I will show you the must do for success. There are things you must do if you really want to be a success in this very motto. If you really want to get a desired result, trust me, all this will be revealed to you. Once again, I want to say a very big congratulations to you. You have actually purchased the mobile app development and monetization with Team Providence. I still remain your loyal facilitator, Raphael Iwoke. Do well to implement everything that is in this course, as result is assured. See you in our first lesson.